Essay topics aren't usually written as questions, like what were the causes of the War of 1812, because you might be tempted to just list events. That makes for a pretty dull paper, and it's probably not what your instructor is after. So most topics are given as commands, and sound something more like, discuss the causes of the War of 1812. Commands have two parts, the prompt and the subject. Most prompts want you to answer the question, so what? So you have to analyze all the constituent parts and their relative importance. In this example, trade restrictions between Britain and the US is a factor. Ask yourself, why were they put in place? By whom? Who and what did they affect most? Why was this an incentive for war? The subject tells you to discuss not what happened before the war, or who won the war, or even what happened after the war, but just the causes of the war. Some topics also include a quote, statement, or other information. This is your instructor's way of giving you a starting point and some direction. Make use of office hours and email to speak with your instructor for a better understanding of how to use this information. Take time figuring out your topic. A visit to the Writing Center can be really helpful. I also recommend a visit to the Research Help Desk. Here are a few more questions you can ask. What is the purpose of the assignment? Is it to demonstrate what you know? How does this relate to the course? How does the instructor want you to do the assignment? Can you do a draft? Peer editing? Should it be a narrative, expository, or critique? What are the deadlines for the assignment? What level of knowledge or preparation are you expected to already have? How does this fit into the course calendar? For whom are you writing? Is it your prof? Your peers? Is it someone who's an expert, or just a layperson? How will this assignment be evaluated? What criteria is your instructor looking for? For more help, check out our other tutorials.